Ever bitten into a sunflower? Or perhaps nibbled on a marigold? Sounds strange, doesn't it? It's a thought that might not have even crossed your mind, right? But sit tight, because there's an extraordinary world of edible flowers out there just waiting for you to tap into it. We're not just talking about a few random, obscure bloomers here. This is a universe bursting with color, aroma, and taste, ready to turn your culinary experiences upside down. Before we dive deeper into the topic, make sure you're part of our thriving community. Hit that subscribe button now to stay updated on all things plant-related. Don't miss out on valuable tips, DIY projects, and the joy of nurturing your own green haven. Subscribe, and let's grow together. Now back to our edible wonders. Consider this, a fresh nasturtium tossed into your otherwise ordinary salad. The leaves are green and lush, the vegetables are crisp and juicy, and then you have this vibrant, peppery addition adds a surprising kick to each bite. It's not just about the crunch, but the unexpected explosion of flavor that these edible blooms can offer. Or how about imagining a cool, sweet, refreshing glass of hibiscus tea on a hot summer's day? Infused with the tangy, slightly tart taste of beautiful ruby red hibiscus flowers, delivering a unique twist on your regular iced tea. It's not just the enticing ruby red color that's eye-catching, but the unusual taste that leaves you craving for more. These aren't just garnishes, folks. They're not just there to add a decorative touch or a pop of color. They're nature's secret ingredients, a hidden gem tucked away in Mother Nature's vast pantry. They're the subtle yet powerful element that can take a dish from ordinary to extraordinary. Imagine pansy pancakes for breakfast, their subtle minty flavor blending seamlessly with the fluffy buttery pancakes. It's a feast for the eyes and a treat for your taste buds. Picture a spoonful of rose petal jam on a warm, crusty piece of toast, its sweet, fragrant essence melting into the bread, creating a symphony of flavor in your mouth. Imagine having a garden or a local farmer's market that's not a visual treat, but a culinary playground. A place where you're not just admiring the bright, colorful blossoms, but also picking a few to taste, letting their unique flavors dance on your tongue, discovering a whole new perspective on what you can eat and enjoy. These floral delights can add a burst of color and an unexpected twist of flavor to your dishes. They can transform your cooking, baking, and even beverage-making experiences, making them so much more exciting and adventurous. The world of edible flowers is vast, varied, and full of surprises. Each flower is unique with its own distinct taste, texture, and culinary use. So next time you find yourself in your garden or local farmer's market, remember, don't just admire the flowers, taste them too. Let your palate explore these edible wonders. Each bite, each sip will be a journey of discovery, a culinary adventure like no other. Your palate will thank you for introducing it to these new exciting flavors. Remember, the world of edible flowers is vast and delicious. It's a world that's waiting for you to dive in, to explore, to taste, and to enjoy. So, are you ready to bloom with flavor?